Now, time has come of the agentic AI, artificial intelligence. That means AI is not just answering your questions anymore. Now it is thinking, planning, and making decisions on its own. Welcome to the agentic AI era, means agentic artificial intelligence era. By 2028, AI will make 15 out of every 100 business decisions. It is no longer about storing data. It is about using the right data at right time, means real time data. To survive this new AI age, your company needs three powerful data shifts. Number one is from static to dynamic data. AI needs real time info to make smart, instant decisions. Second is from silly-wide to connected data. Yes, AI cannot work with half truth. AI needs all your data talking to each other. Yes, and third one is from reactive to proactive systems. Fix problems before they break. That is what smart AI does. Yes, now it is the era of smart AI. AI won't replace you, but person using AI definitely will. This is the era of agentic AI, artificial intelligence for smart thinking, a smart decision, and a smart action. Thank you. Three data shifts your company must master to thrive in the agentic AI era, agentic artificial intelligence era. Now, the game has changed from reactive AI to agentic AI. We have officially entered the agentic AI era where artificial intelligence doesn't just follow commands, it thinks, plans, and acts on its own. By 2028, 15% of all the business decisions will be autonomously by AI agents. This means AI won't just assist, it will run workflows, make decisions, and execute tasks across industries like healthcare, telecom, finance, and e commerce. But here is the catch, no AI is powerful without powerful data. Your company data ecosystem will decide whether you thrive or get left behind. Here are the three critical data shifts from business needs to make starting today. From static data to dynamic data. Yes, this is the most important part. Most companies still rely on static or batch updated data, but agentic AI thrives on real time context live data that evolves every second. Think about it. An AI powered customer agent needs more than old CRM logs. It needs real time inventory, pricing, web traffic, and user behavior data to make accurate calls. The feature is streaming data to make AI decisions in milliseconds. Yes, to make AI decisions in milliseconds, your system must support real time streaming, live updates, and continuous data flow. If your data is not moving, neither is your AI. From siloed data to orchestrated data. Yes, AI agents cannot make smart decisions if your data lives in isolated silos. Marketing in one system, finance in another, and operations somewhere else. It will not work. Yes, for AI to act intelligently, it needs a 360-degree unified data view. Yes, only then it can work intelligently. That means breaking barriers between CRM and ERP systems, cloud apps and on-prem servers, new AI modules and old legacy database. How to fix it? Build an integrated data foundation that connects all enterprise data sources. Implement vector database. that let AI search and retrieve relevant into like a human brain. Use open standards like MCP to securely bridge AI agents with enterprise systems, maintaining security, privacy, and governance. Now, third one is the from reactive management to proactive intelligence. Today's organizations often react after something breaks, data errors, system lacks, or security issues. Only then the management organization react. But in the AI era, reactive is nothing but risk. Reactive is equal to risk. Then the new mindsets will arise. Proactive data ecosystem that detect and fix data quality issues automatically. This is required. Predict when demand will spike and scale before it happens, and guard sensitive data with adaptive dynamic security systems. As for example, a proactive banking system doesn't wait for fraud alerts to spike. It monitors transactions, anomalies in real time, stopping fraud before it happens. This is required. The big picture, building the autonomous enterprise. Agentic AI is not science fiction. It is already here. Healthcare firms like Genentech are using it for faster drug discovery. For companies like Ericsson are creating self-healing networks powered by AI agents. The organizations that will win the future are not the ones with more data, but ones with living, breathing, intelligent data ecosystems that let AI agents think, decide, and act with confidence. This is required actually, and only human brain can do this. Otherwise, your AI agent will fail. A viral takeaway is that AI won't replace your team, but a team using agentic AI plus intelligent data will replace the one that doesn't. This is actually going to happen, and it will work smartly, intelligently, by thinking, by deciding, and by acting with confidence. Thank you.